Hi, I wanted to come on and share a mini junk journal that I made for a DT project using the Retro Harvest mini kit, which makes this beautiful 5x8 journal. And I have added a ribbon to tie it with and a few little beads down here at the bottom. And this kit was created by That's Just Penny. And I love the colors. They're just bright, bold, beautiful colors. And I love all of the designs. And some of our pages, and I'll just show you one, has a pocket. So as we go through, there's some of these that have pockets and others that don't. But this is another one of That's Just Penny's kits. And this is the writing paper. And I love the colors. They're just vibrant. Just very, very pretty. I added in an altered paper clip. I didn't really decorate this a lot. However, there are lots of elements to decorate it with, and I will show you those in just a minute. But as you can see, they're just very, very pretty colors. And this is perfect for the fall, which is right here upon us. There's pumpkins and the ice cream cones, ending of summer. Okay. Just beautiful pages. So I won't bore you with all of them, but she has very, very pretty designs. And again, some of them have pockets and some of them do not. I did add in on the center of this a weekly planner page, so we can add in dates and times of events using that. And let's take a look at some of the elements that come with this kit that can be used to decorate it with. So they're all in an envelope because I'm actually going to give it to the person like this. Now this one I did do, and I backed it with this is cardstock, and this I did this one as well, just to give her an example. But the rest of them I did not. But there's this beautiful Love ice cream, try our new ice cream, and the beautiful pumpkins. Just love this digital kit. A lot of great things in it. And these are just pieces, scraps of the writing paper that was left from where I cut down my pages. But this kit just really, really makes me think of Thanksgiving and fall and the pumpkin smells and the spices and all of the things that we get to enjoy in the fall. So if you enjoyed this, if you like this kit, hop on over to That's Just Penny's Etsy shop, and I will have the link in the comments below. And thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.